Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the interior light assembly. We're going to go step by step on the details to help you out. And while you're watching this video, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. All right, let's get into it.
The first thing you need to do is remove the light cover. It is a lot easier if you use a small flat head screwdriver. After you remove the cover, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws holding up the light assembly.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. And thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it.
After you remove the screws, you can take down the light assembly. You can use your fingers or a flat head, but be careful so you don't damage it or the headliner. Turn the light assembly on its side so you can see the electrical plug. Be careful when you're unplugging the light. It has a locking clip, and if you don't remove it correctly, it could get damaged. Now it's time to reinstall the light assembly. Make sure to install the light assembly the same way it was facing before. Check and make sure your wires are going in correctly and not getting caught on anything. Now go ahead and reinstall the mounting screws. Test the light bulb before you install the light cover. Be careful when reinstalling the light cover and make sure you line up the locking clips. Congratulations, you now know how to replace the interior light assembly.
Wow, you're still watching? I must have done something right on this video. Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. Well, that wraps it all up on this one. Bobby B out till next time.